President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akwatiza sente z'abebembezi b'ebinebi bwanyuma y'urukiiko orwagizireho nabo izoba ryanyumwe bazyo aha State Lounge omurina Kasero. Amatendekero g'ebyemikono agatire bilioni 8 na milioni 9 bursako ahoneza kutunga milioni 50. Bamakanika batire milioni 500 buri grupu neza kutunga milioni 100 kandi abari kugambirira mukoro abahire bilioni 1 na milioni 9 buri grupu neza kutunga milioni 100.
Third one is a group of Masters of Ceremonies circles for all the country, led by Mr. Chirunda. Those ones are also funded, so we've given them, there are 18 from 18 regions of the country, and we've given each circle 100 million, Your Excellency. So these circles are here so that you can hand over to them.
Those are three.
Those are the three groups that I've talked about. They are here so that you can give them their checks.
Ariko kwasa sentezi President Museveni abashabiro kuzikoresa kurungi kureba ngu zaganyiro muntu wa hansi om group zabo.
Anybody who doesn't do it, he goes to jail. The reason I say 6% is because inflation is about 3%. So a sentence affair tizigenda kusabulukuka. Zigenda kusigala ngabo eziri buli mwaka. If it is 6%, if the inflation goes up, you can consult me, then I can allow you to move to maybe 10%. If the inflation is up, but it's not up. So the inflation, the interest rate must be 6% per year. Nkwade akakade kamu, rumanya rumwaka okomyawo akakade n'emitwalo 6.
President Hona baraganise ngo bazikoresa je government neja kubongereza indi.
Eno ntandikwa kwe kubaloza bwe munakola obulungi tugenda kwongera mu sente. Kati eza PDM we have been insisting on 1 million alokufuna million. Naye wano muno kutola nebaleke nemutesa mukiriziganye ikike kisanide. They should sit with you because now it may be slightly different. So I don't want to insist on 1 million on anything yet. I want you mutese.
Mbagambo bye State House Controller Jen Bareche azira ngo bushachobu nemwa nkora President Museveni atireho okushagiko muntu wa burijo gasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarim.